Before casting vote to any of these candidates, the voter should assess, the voter should evaluate or understand or know about the merits and demerits whom they are selecting. Now, for choosing these candidates, it's not a very easy task. For this thing, the voters, they have to use their wisdom. Wisdom means the ability to make sensible decision and judgment because of their own knowledge. Patriotism means national pride, and the feeling of selflessness means they should be concerned more with the need of the need and wishes of the particular person other than one's own. So all three things should be involved there. After that, that particular citizen can elect a correct representative. Now, this whole work is considered as self-study. Means he himself, the voter, he himself have to study about all these factors, like whether that I am not being swayed by selfishness. Selfish here, swayed means influenced by. That particular voter, he should not be influenced by any selfishness. He should not be influenced by the caste of that leaders to whom they want to select. Then they should not influenced or undergo by the regionalism, and they should not go or use their temptation. Temptation means a thing that attracts you to do something which is wrong. So any kind of temptation should not be involved there at the time of selection of candidate. Now, when that all the above question have been answered, then we have to look for the candidate. All this, the quality which I am going to explain, that all should quality should be there in candidate. First is that particular candidate should be honest and efficient. Honest in manner means whatever work he will do, that work he will do for the public only. And efficiency means whichever, that how much that efficiency he is having to do any work, he must use his full efficiency for that particular work. Second, he is in favor of national integrity, means whatever work he will do, that will help in for the national unity. Third is he is above communal and caste consideration, means if any decision he is taking, if any work he is doing, that work and decision should not be hampered or should not involve any caste consideration or communal consideration. Now this vote is considered as secret trust in the hands of people. Why? Because the voter is only the person who is knowing to whom they are casting their vote. Now these voters, they are exercising their right to vote, and that is on the basis of their intelligence. The voter, as intelligent he will be, he will elect the correct candidate there. Now what will happen, sometimes these parties, they are not honest, they are dishonest. So dishonest parties and candidates, they try to they want to buy or purchase their vote from the voters. So what they do, they offer them money or they give some temptations, or so that particular voter, they will cast their vote in favor of these leaders. So whenever that voters, they are getting this kind of money or this kind of temptation, they should avoid it. Only then they will be able to cast their vote for good candidate. Now one law is there in the country that a candidate who use underhand means to win the election can be disqualified. Means if any leader or any party or party's candidates, they are using all these means